CSP Battery Company offers the WHA Power X series of powerful jump starters. Available in 4 models, WHA Power X3, WHA Power X5, WHA Power X6, and WHA Power X7, these series provide both 12V and 24V options. They feature a portable design, built-in USB charging port, LED indicator, RCA charging port, and power button. These jump starters are designed for a wide range of vehicles and types. Each model is equipped with a robust cable and high-quality clampers, ensuring a secure and efficient connection to any vehicle's battery. The WHA Power X3 12-volt jump starter is suited for 12-volt vehicles with engines up to 4,500 cc, delivering 400 ampere of starting current. The WHA Power X5 is built for 12-volt vehicles, including diesel cars weighing up to 5.5 tons, and provides up to 1,200 amperes of starting current. It's also suitable for light heavy-duty vehicles. The WHA Power X6 is a 12-volt heavy-duty jump starter, designed for all heavy-duty and 12 battery-powered vehicles. The WHA Power X7 is a 24-volt heavy-duty jump starter, specifically designed for vehicles requiring 24-volt batteries, such as large trucks, buses, commercial vehicles, construction equipment, and industrial machinery. For more information about the WHA Power X series jump starters, please visit our website or contact us via email or WhatsApp.